could literally create a product, upload it once, and it keeps making you money forever? That's the game we're playing in 2025. And no, you don't need to be a designer, writer, or tech wizard. AI does 90% of the work. You just tell it what to make. So here's the secret. The digital product market is exploding right now. On Etsy alone, there are creators making $10,000 a month selling simple printables, like planners, habit trackers, affirmation cards, and business templates. And almost all of them can now be built with free AI tools. Let's start from zero. You're gonna learn 3 main things today: how to find what sells, how to create it with AI, and how to sell it automatically. Simple. Step 1. You gotta find your profitable niche. This is where most people mess up. They create random products nobody wants. Don't guess. Go to Etsy, type digital planner, and sort by best sellers. Or use Etsy Hunt or Insight Factory. These tools show you which products are trending right now. If you see 10 shops selling the same thing with thousands of sales, that's not a bad sign. It means demand is high. So pick a niche you actually like. Maybe productivity, finance, health, or mindset. The key is to serve a specific audience with specific problems. For example, instead of printable planner, make fitness tracker for busy moms. Instead of template, make Instagram content planner for small businesses. Specificity sells. Once you know your niche, step 2 is creation. This is where AI becomes your silent business partner. Let's say you want to make a digital planner. Open ChatGPT or Claude and type, generate a 12-month productivity planner layout with daily, weekly, and monthly goals, habits, and affirmations. AI will instantly create the full content structure. Then use Canva Magic Studio, free, to turn that text into beautiful printable pages. You don't even need to design anything. Just type Modern Minimalist Planner Template, and Canva's AI does the rest. In 5 minutes, you've got a full printable ready to sell. Now maybe you want to sell eBooks. No problem. Use ChatGPT to write the entire draft. Prompt it like this. Write a 5-chapter ebook on time management for freelancers. Each chapter should be practical and conversational. Then feed that text into Notion AI or Pseudo-Write to refine tone and flow. Once it's polished, use DesignRR or Canva to turn it into a beautiful ebook PDF, with cover, table of contents, everything. Upload the final version. Done. You can do the same thing for templates. Use Gamma.app, Notion, or Google Sheets templates. Let ChatGPT design them for you. Create a Notion template for content creators to plan their YouTube videos weekly. Then format it, export, and you're ready to sell. Each product can take less than an hour to make. And once uploaded, it sells forever. Now comes the fun part, selling. There are 2 platforms dominating the digital product game in 2025, Etsy and Gumroad. Etsy is perfect for beginners because it already has buyers. People search for printables, planners, and ebooks every single day. All you need is an eye-catching thumbnail and SEO-optimized title. For example, instead of naming your product 2025 Planner, call it Minimalist Productivity Planner for Women, 12-month printable PDF. Then use ChatGPT to write your product description with keywords and emotional tone. Upload your files, set the price between $525, and boom, your store is live. Now for Gumroad. This one's great if you already have a small audience or want to sell via social media. You can sell anything digital here: templates, PDFs, Notion pages, guides, or even AI prompts. Set it up once, link it to your Twitter, TikTok, or YouTube bio, and it handles payments for you. And here's where smart creators win. They automate everything. Use AI to design product mockups with Kittle or Maki, so your products look premium. Use ChatGPT to write short product blurbs for Instagram captions or Etsy tags. And use Canva's Magic Write to create Pinterest posts promoting your products. Within a week, you'll have 5 to 10 products up, all optimized, all working for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about money. How much can you actually make? Here's the math. Let's say you make 10 digital products. Each sells for $10. If each one sells just 10 copies a month, that's $1,000 a month. And these products don't expire, don't need updates, and don't cost you anything to deliver. It's 100% profit. Top sellers easily make $5K, $10K a month. But even $500 a month can pay your bills, buy your phone, or reinvest into better tools. The best part? Your AI doesn't sleep. Your digital store runs even when you're offline. Now let's take it one level higher: automation and scaling. Once you've got a few products that sell, it's time to scale. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm 50 more product ideas inside your niche. You can create full product bundles, like a business startup kit, that includes templates, planners, and guides. Offer bundles at a higher price like $29 or $49. People love all-in-one packs. Then automate your store with Ko-fi, Shopify Lite, or PayHip. They handle instant delivery, payments, and even upsells. You just sit back, promote, and collect payments. If you want to go viral, start posting short videos showing behind the scenes of your AI products. Show ChatGPT writing your ebook or Canva designing your planner. People love seeing AI create things, and many of them will click your product link out of curiosity. That's organic marketing at its finest. Now you might be thinking, but everyone's doing it. Nah. The truth is, 99% of people won't actually start. They'll scroll, overthink, and move on. But the 1% who do, the ones who build now, they'll dominate 2025. AI leveled the playing field. You no longer need money, skills, or experience to build digital income. You just need the will to begin. Because every digital product you create is a small soldier working for you forever. Earning while you sleep, while you travel, while you live. And here's the mindset shift. You're not selling files. You're selling solutions. A planner solves chaos. An ebook solves confusion. A template saves time. That's why people buy. So don't chase money. Create value that multiplies through AI. Here's your challenge. Today, pick one idea. Just one. Maybe it's a gratitude journal. Maybe it's a small business checklist. Open ChatGPT, generate it, design it in Canva, upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Don't wait till it's perfect, because perfect never pays. Done does. You'll learn faster by launching one product than overthinking 10. And once you make your first $1 online, you'll realize it's not about luck. It's about leverage. AI is your 24/7 business partner. It writes, designs, sells, and markets for you. Your job is to direct it. So by the time everyone else is still thinking about starting, you'll already have a store, a system, and income on autopilot. So if you want more videos like this, where I break down exact AI tools and product strategies step by step, comment AI business below. And if this video motivated you even a little, don't just like it, go build something today. Because the future won't wait for anyone. And in 2025, those who learn to use AI won't just work less, they'll earn while they sleep. Beat drop. Let's make it